Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is my introduction to my channel, and the name of my channel is DIY on a Budget with Maggie. And as you must have figured out by now, I'm Maggie. So I just want to welcome you to my channel. What I will be doing with this channel is showing you ways that you can do basic things around your home that will help you save money, and that will help to spruce up your home and make things look a little nicer. But you don't have to spend a lot of money to do it. Okay, so that's my main goal of this channel. It's geared mainly towards like single mothers who don't have a lot of money, or even young people who just starting out and you want to have a nice apartment or you want to have a nice yard, but you don't have a whole lot of money to spend. Okay, so I will try my best, I should say, to post every Friday. I'm going to give you a video every Friday, something that I hope will help you. And so go ahead after you've watched me. If you want to take a chance on me, I'm okay with that. So go ahead and hit the like button, the subscribe button. And if, as you look at my videos, if you want to share it, encourage other people to look at the channel, I'm okay with that. Okay, so right now, this was just going to be short, telling you what I'm doing. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next Friday.